We all experience pain at some point in our lives. For some, the pain is acute and caused by a localized injury, and for others, the pain is chronic and an indication of an underlying health condition. The feeling is triggered by the nervous system and directs our attention to a certain area in the body. This is true with both physical and emotional pain. Sometimes, emotional pain can manifest itself as physical symptoms and vice versa. It is important that we have simple things we can do on our own to alleviate pain. This video will show 10 acupressure points that you can use as self-care to help relieve pain that you are experiencing. Taking the time to slow down and really focus on a point will bring greater benefits, though you can do it throughout your day when you're on the move as well. These points can be used anywhere, on a bus or in a meeting. That's the great thing about acupressure for self-care. All you need is your hand. Put simply, acupressure is acupuncture without the needles. It allows you to hold specific points on your body to reach a more balanced state of health. Each point has multiple indications, and we will focus on the indications associated with pain. Acupressure and acupuncture are part of traditional Chinese medicine and utilize points that run through our body along pathways called meridians. The meridians govern the flow of qi through our bodies. Qi is a Chinese medical term that's related to the vital energy that flows throughout our bodies. The idea is that if you hold points along these meridians, you will balance the qi in your body and reach a greater state of health. Health conditions, such as pain, are caused by an imbalance in one of our meridians. There are 14 meridians, 2 that run through the center of the body, and 12 that are connected to our organs. For example, there's a meridian that starts here at the tip of your lung and runs through the arm. Along this meridian are points for the lung and breathing issues such as coughing or asthma. But this meridian is also very good for things like loss and change and grief, as each meridian also has an emotional association. There's another meridian that runs through the arm for the large intestine. Anatomically, this may not make as much sense, but often when someone breaks their arm, they will experience constipation. This is because the injury has disrupted the flow of qi through the meridian and affects the organ that the meridian is connected to. Acupressure used to be common knowledge, something we would do instinctually without even thinking about it. For example, holding above the upper lip when we're trying to think of something is very useful because this is a good point for memory. Or, holding points on our head when we have a headache dates back to the origins of acupressure because there are many good points for headaches located on the forehead. Acupressure can be used for both prevention and relief of a condition. In trying to keep up with fast-paced lifestyles, many of us have learned that our bodies are something that get in the way, rather than trying to make sure that we do everything we can not to injure our bodies. This mindset can cause a disconnect between our body and our thoughts and our emotions. If we learn to really slow down and listen to our bodies, we'll be able to get much more relief from using something like acupressure. If riding your bike is causing you pain, certainly try holding the points, but also look at different ways that you could do the activity. Maybe adjust the seat, see if you could change your posture, as that might affect some of the pain you're experiencing. Sometimes you might decide that you want to keep doing the activity and just use acupressure to help manage the pain along the way, and other times you might decide that it's best for you to stop the activity, do something else instead, and use acupressure to help heal the imbalance that was caused by that injury. Acupressure builds on itself. Each time you hold a point, you may notice that the point releases faster, and the benefits are also greater. Some indications of pain are very localized, and you can feel relief by using just 1 or 2 points. For other conditions, such as neuropathy or fibromyalgia, you may want to look at the root cause of what's happening in your body and hold multiple points to help you feel more relief.